We've been spending a lot of time learning about character traits and how authors give clues about a character by what they say, how they feel, their actions, their thoughts, and the choices that they make. Today, we're going to learn about the two types of characters in stories and the types of conflict that they struggle with. But before that, let's see how you did on yesterday's graphic organizer. So if you look here, I hope you put the title at the top. Your main character was Mary. So the actions are, the text evidence is that Mary confesses the truth about her Tana'ika experience to her grandfather. So I can infer that Mary's honest and respects her grandfather and their Kaw traditions. Mary's feelings. Mary gets angry when Ernie calls her Kaw custom silly. I can infer that Mary is proud of her Kaw heritage after all. Now notice that these text evidence is coming directly from the story. Words, something that Mary says. I'll babysit for you 10 times. I can infer that Mary's responsible. Mary is a clever thinker and she plans ahead. Her thoughts. I had no intention of living on a reservation for the rest of my life. I can infer that Mary is ambitious and she does not plan to be confined by her heritage. A choice that Mary made. Instead of eating insects in the woods, Mary orders food at Ernie's. I can infer that Mary is bold and not afraid to go and get what she wants. Now, as you look at your graphic organizer, my graphic organizer, you might have a different text evidence on an action that Mary took. Or you have the same action, but you infer a different character trait. Does that make your answer incorrect? Absolutely not. You just need to make sure that you provide evidence directly from the story to support your inference of the characterization. It's kind of like if you accuse somebody of something, you need to have evidence to prove that it is happening or happened. All right? You need to have examples. In characterization, our examples are the text evidence. Before we go on to the different types of characters there are in the story, we're going to watch and we're going to learn that the protagonist is the main character of a story and the antagonist is the character or force in a conflict with the protagonist. On the next video, you'll watch the video.